We're going to do a side-lying abduction with the arm, and we're doing an isometric hold, which means we're just finding the position and holding it there. So I'm putting my arm in the air, and I can start with it straight and then find the position, or I can just put it in the air and then try to find the position. And my position is trying to get that shoulder blade down and back, where I'm letting that shoulder blade sink down on my rib cage towards my spine. My arm is letting the gravity and the weight in my hand sink my shoulder blade down towards my spine, and I'm going to hold it there and not let it move. Your arm might be slightly different than mine up in the air. Everybody feels a little bit different. The most important thing is that you're feeling it underneath the shoulder blades and around the armpit. To make this harder, you can hold the weight with the bottom of, holding the bottom of the weight with the top pointed up to towards the ceiling. This is just going to create a little bit more instability. Again, here, we're just looking to make sure that when you're holding this weight, you're feeling the shoulder blade muscles on the bottom, the inside, and then the armpit kick in. The goal is to hold it really, really still for that isometric hold. And then if you want to go ahead and make this a little bit harder, we can start to add little motions up and down. When we move our arm up and down over our head towards our booty, like is shown, what we're really focusing on is not letting that shoulder blade move. The only thing moving is my arm in a very small motion, less than an inch each direction, and then really trying to hold that shoulder blade still so I'm getting stability there in the shoulder blade. So that you can see this from a different point of view, what I'm doing is I'm just putting my arm out there, and then what I'm doing is I'm trying to find that position where that shoulder blade sinks down and back on my rib cage and hold it there.